Gboard tips and tricks to make typing smart and fast. Gboard, also known as Google Keyboard, is one of the most popular keyboard apps used by both Android and iOS users. The feature-packed Gboard provides various functionalities that make it simple to type and get things done smartly. Moreover, many tech manufacturers, such as Google with its Pixel series, Motorola and Lenovo across their phones and tablets, and other brands are set to preload it as the stock Gboard app. According to a step-by-step guide, users can follow these instructions to make their Gboard typing fast and smart. Gboard tricks. Instead of tapping to move the cursor while typing, hold down the spacebar and drag it anywhere comfortably. Mix emojis. Combine emojis by adding a cold face emoji and then an alien to create a cold alien. Enable it in Gboard settings under emoji sticker. Translate on the go. Tap on Translate automatically, which converts Hindi to English. Simplify typing repetitive stuff. Add your address or email as a shortcut in Gboard's dictionary. Just type in # and your address will be typed in instantly.